Hey, I'm Rob Wolf, and I wanted to ask a favor of you. If you are like me, and probably are at least a little bit, but every once in a while you'll see something pop up in the news about like meatless Mondays, that grazing animals are the primary driver of climate change, and you just don't know what to do. It feels like we have no centralized voice in trying to address topics like this. Adequate human nutrition, optimal human nutrition, and then just this host of kind of interrelated sustainability and climate change topics. Well, Diana Rogers a few years ago founded something called the Global Food Justice Alliance. And this is a nonprofit whose sole purpose is to integrate adequate and really optimized human nutrition, looking at what is really critical in growing and maintaining proper human health, and then also that interface with the sustainability and greater climate change discussion. This is the way that we can get credible, evidence-based material, scientists, researchers looking into and addressing topics like, is a meatless Monday a good idea for an inner city school and stuff like that? But the only way this stuff happens is if people like you and I provide funding effectively. So the Global Food Justice Alliance is a nonprofit, so you have a tax benefit there by donating. And perhaps more importantly, you just have somebody who is credible and passionate in Diana Rogers leading the charge on this topic. So please help support this. You'll find information at the end of the video in how to support the Global Food Justice Alliance.